Today is day 4 of my summer break. Good morning. Welcome to Pencils and Magic Wands. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a 4th grade teacher in South Florida. Today is day 4 of my summer break. And yes, I am back in my classroom, but only because I had to do last minute things like pick up some things that I couldn't take home with me yesterday. And also I want to organize my giveaway pile so that it is ready to go when school starts and I can put it in a place where teachers can take things if they want. So right now, I have been here since 8 o'clock in the morning, around 8 o'clock, I think. I did come inside the building. I was talking to people in the office. I picked up a package that is part of my gifted order that came in, which I'll show you in a moment. And I came up to my classroom and I started organizing and putting a couple of things away and out of the way a little better. Things that I was going to leave as is, but I decided, you know what, let me find a new home for these things. So I'll show you that in a second. And I also started going through all my classroom library books because I am taking quite a few chapter books and picture books home with me so that I can reread through them, some new books that I haven't read, and also create some resources for those books for TPT as well, because my summer is going to be busy with TPT, dissertation, and also finding time to relax and re-energize. So let me show you some of the things that I have put away a little bit better. Plus, let me show you what I received from my gifted order. So my school secretary had seen me yesterday leaving from school. She didn't know I was in school, but I told her I will be back today. And my toner came in for my color laser printer. I am so excited. I have brand new toner, all 4 colors for my color laser printer. So I will be storing these in a safe spot in my classroom so that I am ready to use them once the year starts. This is perfect for all the printing I do at the beginning of the year, plus the new Harry Potter posters and things like that that I will be making for my Harry Potter classroom theme. All right, so let me go ahead and put these away and I'll show you some other things in a moment. So I actually decided to clear up my kidney table. I know that I had those blue crates, which I put up there. They were left on top of the table yesterday when I was here. And my decoration bag was also on the table, and it's a pretty heavy bag, but I just kind of positioned it right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall, but I put it there, and I found a new place for the baskets and all the other things that I had kind of lined up over here on the side of the counter. So yeah, I pretty much organized things a little better so that there's nothing on the table and it can be easily moved. My take-home pile got a little bit bigger, but it's okay. I am here. It's right now 4 minutes to 11, so I have enough time to make a couple of trips to the car, probably 2 trips, to take things with me. And I'm going to sort through the giveaway pile, like I said, and make it a little bit more organized and put it in a place that it's a little bit out of the way so that I can be ready to give this away to teachers at the beginning of the school year. So let me go ahead and work on that and I'll catch up with you later. I'm now getting ready to go home. It is actually 3:21 and I'm planning on taking the rest of the stuff with me because I already did 1 trip to the car. I'm planning on taking the rest of the stuff with me all right now in one shot. And let me show you how I organized the giveaway pile for the teachers. So I just placed it over here so it's better organized. I'm giving away all my used crayons, but I did sort them by similar colors. And yeah, I organized this a little bit better so that people can just look through it easier and take what they need. So yeah, I did that, and now I am planning on taking my big orange IKEA bag that has my document camera and some of my other things, and the rest of the stuff I was able to fit inside of my cart. So now I just have to grab my bag, my keys, turn off the computer, and that is it. I am done with my classroom. I don't plan on coming back to my classroom anytime soon. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my break. I am going to also carry this fan. So this is going to be a very challenging trip, but I can do it. All right, so that's it. And once I get in the car, I'll continue talking to you and chatting about some things. So I'll see you there. So I'm all packed up in the car. As you can probably see from behind me, the fan is there. I have my cart there. I have my orange IKEA bag right next to me with my document camera. I have everything that I need for the summer. I don't think I'll be back to school unless they call me in to continue education, which they're just waiting for the FSA scores to come back in order to finish doing that. But I'm just going to tell you something right now, because it happened to me this morning and a little bit ago. And I think I mentioned in a previous vlog that one day I'll talk about the fact that my school is haunted. I haven't experienced a lot of things, but I've experienced a few things. Now today, this morning, as I'm sitting there all in the quiet of my room, and my half of the hallway was all dark. They didn't turn on the lights on that side. The lights were on the other side where the elevator is. But I'm like, you know what, whatever, I'll be fine. I'm sitting there in my classroom, all in the quiet, when all of a sudden I hear eerie talking in the hallway, or coming outside of my classroom, or in the classroom next to me. All I can say is it sounded very weird, and some people may or may not believe me, but I'm just sharing what I experienced. There was nobody else on my floor. I'm the only teacher there, and I heard those eerie sounds, like people talking, but it was definitely eerie. So I said, no, this is not good. I turned on my worship music on Pandora, and then I felt fine. I'm good. I have God with me, right? So then I continued about my day, and just now in the afternoon it was quiet again because I had turned off the music because I had been filming some videos, and I'm sitting there just sorting through the crayons that are in the giveaway pile that I'm giving away to other teachers, when I hear that sound on the computer that comes, like that ding sound that pops up on Windows computers when there's an email coming in. But it kept happening over and over and over, and it wasn't in my computer, and it wasn't in the computers that were there. It was either a computer from a neighboring classroom, or it was just weird. So I turned on my worship music again, and I was completely fine, and I left. And yeah, very spooky things, people. And the last time that I mentioned in my vlog, my son had gone in to use the bathroom, and apparently he had left the light on in the bathroom. And the light switches in our bathrooms are very loud when you turn them on, when you turn them off. There's a loud click that goes off. So when he came back inside with me, we heard the click and the light was off. Yeah, there's different things that have happened from here and there throughout the years, because I've been at the school for 11 years now. Very spooky, people. Very spooky. But anyway, I'm going to go to Chipotle right now to get a burrito bowl because I am hungry. And then I'm just going to go home because this teacher is tired. I need to rest. I need to catch up with my boy and see what they're doing, because my nephew's there too. Anyway, so I'll catch up with you later. All right, I got my Chipotle burrito bowl, and no dairy, as you saw, no sour cream, no cheese, but I do like to get the guacamole on the side because it's so delicious with the rest of it. So now I'm just gonna go home and relax, and I may or may not go to the mall later because I have some gift cards. I may just relax at home. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. And if I do end up going later, then I'll just add it here. So as you saw, I bought a bag, which I am planning to use on my TPT Nashville trip. And I'm just gonna take that bag along with my small suitcase. And I also found those cute little sandals that happen to match the bag as well. And I found those awesome 2 pairs of earrings for only $1.99. How could I not? And I love the dangly earrings. I'm gonna go back to that. All right, so now I am going to leave, and yeah, that's my little shopping trip to the mall and used my gift cards. So now I'm gonna go. See you later. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was like only me going to school and getting things and sorting through that teacher pile, but I am done in my classroom. I am not going back until it's time to go back to set up. And I'm very happy with how I was able to pack everything. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, this summer vlog, day 4 of my 66 days of summer. And if you did enjoy the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. I'll see you next time.